Hi guys! Today we fix the Claude AI app when it is not working. First, unlock your phone so you can start troubleshooting the issue. Now swipe down from the top of your screen to check your internet connection. Sometimes, the app doesn't work just because the internet is unstable. So make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is properly working. If your internet is not stable, turn it off and then on again. This simple refresh often fixes loading and login issues. After that, try opening the app again once. If the problem is still there, open your App Store or Play Store. This helps us check if the app needs an update or reinstall. Updates often fix bugs and crashes. Now tap on the search bar and type Claude AI. Wait for the app to appear in the results. This will take you directly to the app page. If you see Open, it means the app is already installed. If you see Update, then update it immediately. Updating can fix most performance problems easily. Now go back and open the Claude AI app again. After fixing internet and updating, it should work normally now. Just wait a few seconds for it to load properly. So that's how you can easily fix the Claude AI app not working issue. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment if you want more tutorials like this.